Hey guys, this is your boy Ritik Ramaya Forex boy, and I'm bringing back to you a new video today regarding the scam brokers in Forex. So to begin with, I'll be starting by telling you how a broker can scam you, or the characteristics of a broker which they offer, which are scams. So please pay really close attention to what I say. So the first thing is withdrawals. So basically a broker can charge you high withdrawal fees, or they delay your withdrawal. So basically when you try to withdraw, it takes a lot of days to get your money in. The second thing is referrals. Referrals is basically a broker tells you that bring 10 referrals before you can withdraw, or let's say get $100 minimum in your account to withdraw. Some limits are there, so there's always some issues. The other thing is that too much of high fees, as I discussed. The main important thing is unregulated by the FSCA. FSCA basically is somebody which regulates the Forex brokers. If you're regulated by the FSCA, then there is a chance that if a broker scams you, you can always file a complaint against them. But if it's unregulated, then you have no right or no proof that a broker is a scam, or you can complain to anyone. The last and foremost thing that a broker is basically calls you and they explain you and they convince you to join them. They offer you too much benefits and stuff like that. And the pyramid scheme is a huge scam. Basically what happens is that they tell you to bring 2 people to get your money, and those 2 people have to bring the next 2 people, and so on. It goes like that in a blockchain type of manner. The other thing is that the first broker, I'm not going to discuss all the brokers, but the first broker, which is a really big scam, is Globex 360. So Globex 360 is one of the brokers which is situated in Africa, and it's very scamful because they don't let you withdraw large profits. So my friend just got scammed for around $20,000. He could not withdraw the particular money. So I advise all of you to take care of those conditions and not go with one of the brokers, which is Globex 360. The other broker, which is a total scam, is IQ Option. They manipulate the trades and they never let you in. Also, they have a lot of conditions while you withdraw, so I advise you not to go with such brokers. This is a short video for you guys, but if you guys want to know which brokers are scam and which are not, there's a link in my video description. You guys can always check out your brokers there, any broker you wish to. So you can check it out and let me know the feedback in my comment section. Yes, this is all. This is your boy Ritik Ramaya, Forex boy. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the video. It means a lot to me. Thank you guys. Bye.